conversation, a little bit of relaxation. Across the sea, city to city, come par with me. Tell me when you're ready, ready to leave. With my cruising family, across the skies and sea, come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family? My cruising family.
Welcome to our stateroom, stateroom 2082 aboard the Disney Magic, Disney Cruise Line's first ever cruise ship and the first ever cruise ship that I cruised on almost 20 years ago. We have a porthole room, but hold up one moment. What? We got gifts? Aww, the card. Oh my goodness, seriously guys? Let me get this to focus. The card says to Peta and family. This is from Kiki, Ray, and RJ, our people. This is our fam at Team Reese Travels. Thank you so much. We got cheese and fruit, crackers. Oh, this is perfect. Thank you so much. Team Reese. Now, they got me. Thank you so much. Did not expect this. Thank you guys. Kiki, Ray, and RJ. Thank you. You know I did not expect this. We did not expect this. Thank you so much, family. And for everybody else watching this vlog right now, this tour, wherever I drop this video, if you're not already following Team Reese Travels on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever you find Team Reese Travels, what you waiting on? Go ahead and give them a follow. That's our family, guys. Being Disney Cruise Line, there's lots of closet and cupboard space. Here's the cupboard above the television. There you go. The television. And refrigerator. Let's see which way does it open from. Yep, that side. There you go. Refrigerator, let's see. It's pretty cool. Lots of drawer space. The top drawers are pretty deep. There's the hair dryer and the hot appliance mat for like a curling iron and stuff. You would put on that mat that you saw in there. So these top drawers look like two, but they're really one. They're pretty deep. There's a seat. And then these are the smaller drawers. So lots of drawer space. I forgot to record this drawer that's always on the Disney ship, where you have the good morning room service menu and postcards, envelopes, stationery, and the Disney pen. These you can all take it off the ship. Back here you have the couch and a table. You can even sit on this little ledge here by the window that I'm about to do and look out. Now to the bedroom area, you see the lamp, switch for the lamp, and the telephone. This is Disney Cruise Line's first ship, so yes, a lot of the touches are old school. Standard outlets, switch for the light, and then the lamp. Then here is the drawer. And another switch there to turn off the overhead. It's our spacious stateroom. Here we have the split bathroom that Disney Cruise Line is known for. The first one as we enter has the toilet and sink with sea salt hand soap, the Sharps disposal container, and trash can and mat. There's an old school blow dryer, as you can see right here. And there's tissue, there's shelving, and towels. Over here, there's another sink, another trash can, and another mat. There is the sea salt bath soap, sea salt body lotion, makeup towel, washcloths. There are the towels, the hook shower, and tub combination. Disney Cruise Line toiletries that we love. Here's the safe, laundry bags, and the forms to order laundry service, hangers, life vests, There you go. Hangers like this. And I have new Castaway Club gifts. Okay. These lanyards are our new Castaway Club gifts because we never got these from Disney Cruise Line before. This huge Castaway Club bag is a new gift. The lanyards are new gifts. And I got a wet dry bag from Disney Cruise Line for the first time because I'm gold. I'm gold, I'm gold, I'm gold. So, gold gets an additional gift. And so now, I gotta work on getting to what's next? Platinum? There's drawer space here as well. As we said, Disney Cruise Line, known for families, has lots of storage space. From the closets to the drawers. This door is to the adjoining stateroom where Mommy and the boys are.
Once again, on behalf of Captain Jason and the entire team, welcome aboard, and we hope you have a magical cruise.
Skies a sea, come and bar with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door.